Leak detection and evaluation. Leaks in compressed air systems. Expensive energy guzzlers in almost all industrial plants. They can occur anywhere within the network, at valves, quick couplers, or pipe connections. Around 30% of the energy used for compressed air is lost due to leaks. And not only are they expensive, they also put the safety of the plant in jeopardy. Whether used in compressed air, gas, and vacuum systems, the new SONAPHONE ultrasonic testing device makes it possible to detect and analyze invisible problem areas in no time at all. Here's how it works. Leaks generate ultrasound. This is not perceptible to humans, but can be made visible and audible thanks to the SONAPHONE, regardless of the flow, volume, or size. Thanks to the comprehensive range of accessories, leaks can be detected simply and easily over both long and short distances. The SONAPHONE with innovative airborne sound sensor makes it possible. Just put on the headphones, start the app, and get searching. The parabolic sensor BS30 can be used for leak detection over large distances. For short distances, the airborne sound sensor BS10 is used. An extremely wide range of different leak types can be detected thanks to the broadband microphone with a working range of 20 to 100 kHz. And any background noise in the audible range can be suppressed. And it doesn't stop there. If a leak is detected, its size is also automatically assessed. The tester can see any loss with the touch of a button. A real innovation made in Germany. The tester is assisted by software specially developed for leak detection, the LeakExpert app. The software features integrated testing routines and supports the tester by indicating which steps need to be carried out next. Once a leak has been detected, the tester then adds the exact position of the measurement point, along with photos, comments, voice memos, and repair information. This completes the digital leak tag. Paper records, which are error-prone and above all laborious, are a thing of the past with SONAPHONE. With just a few clicks, the tester can create a PDF report of all existing leaks, which is concise and clearly structured. The results can be integrated into the maintenance system, with the overall loss clear at a glance. Save energy, time, and money, and get ready for the maintenance of the future with the SONAPHONE.